The consequences of not maintaining your roof is evidenced by what we're looking at here in this college, on this library. The single ply roof on this building had failed prematurely. It had penetrations, it had holes, it had blisters, and it fell apart. And because of that, and because of the lack of a budget, caused hundreds of thousands of dollars in damage, and the damage to some priceless books in the collection that can never be replaced. So the cost of a roof isn't just the initial installed cost and the maintenance. It's all the burdens and the damage and the disruption. How much is it going to cost to fix this? Probably $300,000. How much is it going to cost to replace the books that are in here? That's priceless. But students also can't use this floor or this library for months because of the roof. So we add up all the costs. The decision that you make with a roof system that you choose is the most crucial thing that you can do as a facilities manager with the limited resources that you have to make a difference in the future. Choose wisely.